mind about the size of the cell. We will fix that pretty soon. Linguistics here, and then literature here, and then methodology. Lastly, about in the about page, you will put in the information that you want to tell the world about your website, right? Now, in this cell, okay, in a vertical navigation bar, I'm going to put in only stuff, jobs, ESL activity, postgraduate 9 classes. So let's do it. Jobs, ESL activities, post graduate 9 classes. Now, as you see here, there is no way I can pull the text up to the top of the cell. In order to do that, you need to know how to work with the cell alignment. So, with the cursor or with the mouse, in this cell, I right click and I choose cell property. Now remember, cell properties, click, and you see here I can customize the horizontal alignment and the vertical alignment. I want my vertical navigation to be at the top, so I click and I say OK. Oof, it jumps up to the top of the cell. Now, at this step, I strongly encourage you to do one very important thing. You know what? Let's save it. In case the electricity is out or something, okay, who knows, happen to your computer. So in my sample website, in my website folder, I will name this the index. Now, always name your home page either default or index. Why? Because if you name it index or default, when you upload your website to a web server, the internet on the other server will automatically open these pages for you, so you do not need to type in index.html, right? So I name my first page index, and for the page title, I don't want it to name it the title of home, so I click on change title and I put it here, Resource Center for Vietnamese Students of English. Okay, yeah, I save. Okay, so my web page is saved and we are safe now. Let's go on and put in the footer information. So what do we put in the footer information? The information about designer, copyright. But for our course, I want you to put in the name of our course and your instructor name. So let's put it here. Design by Nguyễn Văn X and Nguyễn Thị Y for technology in language teaching to 009. And don't forget, well, if I enter, you see here it creates a very big gap. Actually, it creates a paragraph when you enter. That's not exactly what we want, right? We want these two lines to be very close together. So instead of enter and type in your instructor name like this, let's do a different thing. We will insert break, and this time we choose a normal line break. I click on that and you see here it's create a line break, not a paragraph break. And if you have already learned HTML, you know that this is a break tag, not a paragraph tag. So I put in the name of the instructor, teacher in charge, and also the academic title. Alright, so everything is done. I just put it in the center like this. Okay, so that's set for the first part. We have now created the a very draft work for our templates page. Goodbye.